So if I were to go around over here in between these clips right here and press the play button, then you can see that the clip changes abruptly over here from one to the next when it change or when the first clip ends and the second clip starts. And this is a straight cut and is the default way the video actually changes out. But if you want to go ahead and make this change interesting, then what you can do is you can utilize something called transitions. So to do that, you need to go around onto the transition section right here. And once you go around over here, there's different transitions as you can see right here. You can hover around to see how they look. And if you want to apply them, then you can simply go around and click and drag them out over here in between two clips right here. It says create duplicate frames for transition because this is the whole video footage right here. In case the video is cut, then it'll make a smoother transition. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go around and resize out the transition right here, change around the duration of the transition as well. And just like this, you can go around and select it and hit the delete key to delete the transition as well. If I were to, let's say, for example, cut this portion and cut this portion, then you got some room to play with. So if I were to go around and bring in the transition over here, then it does not show any warning as you can see. And then this is what you have. You can go around and bring in different type of transitions as you can see right here, like this one. And if I were to go around and press the play button right here, now you got this transition over here. Similarly, I can go around over here and bring in interesting transitions as you can see right here. So there's different sort of transitions like glitch, like light effect and basic and so forth as you can see right here. There's social media, MD right here and so forth that you can click to navigate around as well. So let's just go around and let's say, for example, bring in this transition. Then you can press the play button and this is what you have as you can see. And that is how you can apply and work with transitions inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.